It's me, Sir Mark, mathematics time again. Hi grade 4 and grade 5, welcome to my classroom. Today, we will discuss and review about rounding numbers, estimated products, and problem solving. Let's have our first topic, rounding numbers. Example number 1, we have 456,354. The underlying digit is 5. In rounding numbers, remember the two groups, 0 to 4, retain or copy, 5 to 9, we just need to add 1. 456,354. The digits to its right side is 6. 6 belongs to 5 to 9 group. Copy 4. 5 becomes 6. And all number that comes after will become 0. Example number 2. 456,354. The underlying digit is 5. Again, remember the two groups in rounding numbers, 0 to 4 and 5 to 9. 456,354. The digits to its right side is 4. 4 belongs to first group. Copy 4, 5, 6 and 3. 5 will be retained. And all number that comes after become 0. Example number 3. 456,354. The underlying digit is 4. Again, remember the two groups, 0 to 4, retain or copy. 5 to 9, you just need to add 1. 456,354. The digits to its right side is 5. 5 belongs to second group. Four will become 5, and all number that comes after will become 0. Example number 3, 456,354. The underlying digit is 6. Again, remember the two groups, 0 to 4, retain or copy. 5 to 9, you just need to add 1. 456,354. The digits to its right side is 3. 3 belongs to first group. Copy 4 and 5. 6 will be retained. And all number that comes after will become 0. Okay, let's move on to the second topic. Find the estimated product. But before that, let's have a short challenge about rounding numbers. Number 1, we have 346. Number 2, 281. Number 3, 454. Number 5, 892. Number 5, 683. I'm going to pause for a while. I'll give you a minute or two to finish this math challenge. done? Okay, let's check your answer. Okay, for number 1, we have 350. Number 2, 280. Number 3, 500. Number 4, 900. And number 5, 680. If you got all this correctly, excellent job. Congratulations. Okay, now let's move on to estimated product. Let's have our first example. Number 1, we have 63 and 18. The same rules apply when estimating product. So again, remember the two groups, 0 to 4, retain or copy. 5 to 9, you just need to add 1. Okay, we have 63 and 18 on both factors. Besides 6 is 3. 3 belongs to 0 to 4 group. Next, we have 18. Beside 1 is 8, which means it belongs to 5 to 9 group. (63) becomes 60, 18 becomes 20. Multiply the non-zero digit. In this case, we have 6 and 2. 6 times 2 is equals to 12. Copy the zeros to the product. So 63 times 18, the estimated product is 1,200. Next example, we have 13 and 25. Again, remember the two groups in rounding numbers. We have 0 to 4, 5 to 9. Both factors, 13 and 25. Beside 1 is 3. 3 belongs to first group. So 13 will become 10. We have 25. Beside 2 is 5. It belongs to second group. 25 will become 30. Multiply the non-zero digit. In this case, we have 1 and 3. 1 times 3 is equals to 3. And then copy the zeros on both factors to the product. So the estimated product, 13 times 25 is 300. Okay, next we have 354 times 56. Again, remember the two groups. 0 to 4, retain or copy the number. 5 to 9, you just need to add 1. 344 times 56. Beside 3 is 4. 4 belongs to 0 to 4 group. Beside 5 is 6. 6 belongs to 5 to 9 group. So 3 will be retained and all number that comes after becomes 0. So 5 will become 6 and all number that comes after becomes 6, 0. We have 300 times 6. Multiply the non-zero digit. So in this case, we have 3 and 6. 3 times 6 is equals to 18. Then copy the zeros on both factors to the product. The estimated product of 344 times 56 is 18,000. Find the estimated product of 350 times 56. 350 times 56. Okay, remember the two groups, 0 to 4, retain or copy. 5 to 9, you just need to add 1. Beside 3 is 5. 5 belongs to second group. Next, 56. Beside 5 is 6. 6 belongs to second group. 3 will be added 1, 3 will become 4, and all numbers that come after become 0. Beside 5 is 6, 5 will become 6, and all number that comes after becomes 0. Multiply the non-zero digit. In this case, we have 6 and 4. 6 times 4 or 4 times 6 is equals to 24. Copy the zeros on both factors to the product. The estimated product of 350 times 56 is 24,000. Okay, let's have this math challenge. Number 1, we have 459 times 77. Next, 781 times 37. So I'm going to pause for a minute and try to answer this math challenge. Okay, time's up. Let's check your work. Okay, 459 times 77. The estimated product is 40,000. Next, 781 times 37. The estimated product is 32,000. Okay, always remember the two groups. 0 to 4, retain or copy. 5 to 9, you just need to add 1. Okay, now, let's move on to our final topic for today, problem solving. Example number 1, Anna shared her mangoes with her 13 friends. Each of her friends received 10 mangoes. How many mangoes did Anna have in all? Okay, in problem solving, we have the steps. Okay, the first step is identify the given. Next, know what is asked. Next, equation. And the last part is solution and answer. For the first one, or number 1, we have the given. Usually, these are the data or information that need to be computed. Okay, in this case or problem, we have 13 and 10. So 13 refers to 13 of her friends. Next, we have 10. 10 refers to the 10 mangoes. Next, know what is asked. Usually, this is the question that needs to be resolved. What does the problem tells you to find? This one will dictate on what strategy you're going to take later on the equation, solution, and answer. Okay, let's have the first step, given and ask. Okay, the given are 13 friends and 10 mangoes. Next, ask, how many mangoes did Anna have in all, or mangoes did Anna have in all? Okay. The what is asked is usually associated with question mark. Okay, let's proceed to the fourth and third one. We have used 13 faces which represents 13 of her friends, and if these 13 faces got 10 mangoes, how many 10 mangoes do I have? So by doing this, you will have a clear picture on what equation you're going to use. So equation, so I have 13, 10 mangoes. So 10 times 13 is equals to n. Then perform the indicated operations. Solution and answer. So we have 13 times 10, is equals to 130 mangoes or mangoes. Next, there are 25 baskets in the table. Each basket contains 6 mangoes. How many mangoes are there? So given as equation and solution. Again, identify the given. Usually these are the information or the data that needs to be computed, or the numbers. So 25 refers to baskets. Then 6 refers to 6 mangoes. So know what is as. Usually this is associated with question mark. How many mangoes are there in all? Next, equation. So to have equation, you can have the illustration like this one. So I have indicated 25 baskets, and each basket contains 6 mangoes. How many 6 do I have? So I have 6 mangoes in the basket. So 25 times 6, or 6 times 25 is equals to n. Then solution and answer, 25 times 6, so 150 mangoes or mangoes. So let's have a math challenge. Analyze and answer the problem. So above contains 15 pieces of chalks. The principal bought 13 boxes. How many pieces of chalks were bought in all? So again, the steps in problem solving: identify the given, know what is asked, equation, solution, and answer. Thank you so much for listening and watching. Till next time, bye!